Hello. This video will show you how to change the colors in your Jrox e-commerce suite, using the built-in color palette. To set the color palette, go to Layout and Themes, Logo and Themes, and click on the Color Palette tab. On this tab, there are a few pre-configured palettes that you can load at any time. Doing this will automatically change your site's color theme and font. To see the changes, just refresh your browser. You also have the option of changing the colors individually, along with the header and base fonts. You can see just how easy it is to style your site using the color palette. Thanks for watching.